day and
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Hannah is ready?
Yeah. One day and
I'm telling the story one day. You keep your glasses here because it is night time. We cannot take the glasses. So guys, we are going today finally after many days, you can say years, to the mall. बहुत दिनों के बाद हम लोगों ने प्लान किया है मॉल पे जाना. मतलब इस तरह से तैयार होके जाना, मतलब normally I have forgotten everything. तो so much time है ना. So let's go. थोड़ा सा बाहर आते ही इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है, ऑलमोस्ट आई स्टार्ट स्वेटिंग.
We are going to the Mall of Dil Moon.
This is the mall which we have never seen since COVID started.
COVID, yeah, that time only it got ready.
Yeah, it was new mall over there and we never went. Something like Dubai Mall. We went to Dubai Mall, Mall of Dubai, right? What is that name?
Mall of Dubai.
Mall of Dubai. So we went over there. There
Dubai?
it was amazing.
Oh, Emirates.
Dubai, no? What's that? I forgot the name
Maybe,
also.
maybe.
How monkey do? How monkey do? तो गाइस ऑलमोस्ट हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं टू गलाली, राइट? गलाली. And Hannah is busy with her sanitizer. Yeah, so this is almost we are reached over here to this Dilmonia mall. So let's go inside. This view is very beautiful. लेकिन अगर आफ्टरनून या फिर सुबह के टाइम पर आते हैं ना तो we would have got a very very beautiful view. But unfortunately we are reached at this time, so it's okay. Mainly we are come to see the mall. So let's go and see.
Oh, I was supposed to go in the wrong building, I think.
Why?
The parking was open straight.
the GPS show us the way to the pool, into water, into a
If
sea.
it is not
I think
updated.
this is the Mall of
Wow, it's looking amazing.
there is fountains in all this.
Oh, this is the one which we saw, no? From the road. Dangerous parking की तरफ बढ़ते हुए.
Oh my goodness.
This parking is in the basement.
This much parking is there.
There will be one more level down.
COVID we have not come to any of the mall mostly. I think एक दो ही बार शायद हम लोग लुलु में गए थे.
Right in the middle of two.
After that we never went. So I am little scared to take these kids because it is uncontrollable once we take them in the mall. Everybody ready?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's go. नॉर्मली हम लोग जब भी बाहर जाते हैं तो हैना की जो प्रैम होती है उसको बिठाकर घूमने की वो वाली प्रैम हम लोग लेके जाते हैं. लेकिन एक साल से हम लोग कहीं मॉल में गए नहीं तो वो सब निकाल के हम लोगों ने स्टोर रूम में रख दिया था. तो आते समय हम लोग भूल भी गए और एक्चुअली हम लोगों को लगा कि मॉल छोटा ही होगा, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद पता चला मॉल बहुत बड़ा था और हर टाइम डैडी को कैरी करना पड़ा. पर्सनली आई फील इफ वी लाइक इफ एनीबडी हैव विजिटेड दिस Dubai Mall, this will look fun for us, like meaning like very small.
Mama, this is also the starting, but I'm feeling so fun. Nice fish.
Oh yeah.
Look, fish is hiding over there.
Oh, it's going inside.
Look, it's trying to hide. Like that. Let's just go.
Oh, see how he's swimming. This is actually a very good place for the kids.
Oh, see, look, same fish.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Hannah.
Looks like you want to go inside the aquarium. Water.
Hannah, want fish?
Maybe. No, look over there. That fish is too big.
Teeth.
Yeah, teeth is also there. 1977, okay? It's made by Suzuki. I think this one only. Now this is restored back. These are original. It's restored back into.
I want to try. See, all cars are Suzuki.
Yeah, amazing, no? Looking.
Oh, God!
Where is the Hulk?
There.
Anna, where is the Spider-Man?
Iron Man.
Wow, this is a street area. I'll take your photo.
Stand. Awesome smell.
Popcorn smell. Okay, come. Sir, on which street you are waiting?
I don't know. I can see all the church pictures on top.
Yeah,
It's actually not sitting on my
amazing. Come.
smell. Not amazing, amazing smell. Ooh. I have.
Show how he's doing. How he's doing. And this section they have put some paint brushes. We are already tired now. तो चलते चलते उस जगह पहुंच ही गए हैं जिसके लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे आए थे। हम लोग एक्चुअली में आए थे आइस स्केटिंग के लिए और उस जगह पर पहुंचते पहुंचते हमारी तो टेंटे फिश।
अभी वो जो दिख रहा है हम लोग उधर जाने वाले हैं। I believe that is the Funscape Ice. That is the area where there is ice skating.
Scary but awesome but scary. I would like to do this.
Can we go?
तो चलते चलते फाइनली हम लोग वहाँ पहुँच ही गए, लेकिन यहाँ पे पहुँचने के बाद देखा तो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग थे और ये कोरोना के टाइम पर मुझे वहाँ पर हेतम को नहीं भेजना था। तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि वीकडेज़ में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं रहेंगे तो तभी आएंगे आइस स्केटिंग करने के लिए। लेकिन इसके बीच में हमें इतनी ज़्यादा भूख लगी कि हम लोग चले गए फूड कोर्ट ढूंढने के, लेकिन इस मॉल में फूड कोर्ट का नामो निशान नहीं था। तो खाना खाए तो कहाँ से खाए। हम लोगों ने चिप्स के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं कैरी किया था। इवन आई थिंक पानी की बोतल भी एक ही मैंने कैरी की थी, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम लोग जब भी बाहर जाते हैं तो फूड कोर्ट में ही खाना खाते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो नहीं था। तो फिलहाल तो चिप्स से ही काम चला। ओके गाइस, एवरीथिंग इज ओवर हियर बट वन थिंग इज नॉट देयर विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो कि है फूड कोर्ट। तो हम लोगों ने चिप्स कैरी किए है घर से। वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ स्नैक ऑफ दैट।
The Indian is here. Indian is come. This is the mall. Some things are going on there. We came on 3rd floor, but it's a.
We never knew that there is no food and all, but good we carried, not we. Good Hetam carried.
No,
his chips.
Daddy gave him in the bag.
Yeah. Oh.
No, Daddy remind me.
This food court is so big, but it is still closed, not open at all.
It is open partially actually because partially open. No, things are not open in full fledged. Food court was open with some, he said, but they closed because other restaurants and all have come and no much people, COVID and all happened, no? अभी हेतम को इतना खेलने का है, खेलने के चक्कर में हेतम बोल रहा है कि अपने को डैडी आई एम नॉट हंग्री.
Just 15 minutes.
And he's written these chips. These are the chips he's written, and he's written the chips and saying, Daddy, I am full, I don't want to eat food. And with that, this kid is doing this. Then this kid also, and after this, the big kid is also telling, yeah, let them play a little bit and go. But believe me, they are hungry. Guys, हम लोग गए थे, सोचा कि बच्चे लोग कुछ खेलेंगे, लेकिन ज्यादा कुछ मिला नहीं. By the way, this is going down, but which floor we going? We never selected. We reached back to the ice.
B, select B directly. B2.
Are you sure it's B2?
Yeah, B2, I remember.
Okay, so we have selected B2 and we going down.
So finally पहुंच गए हैं अपनी प्यारी सी कार में. We thought we lost this car. Where it was kept, we never knew. So we
No, but you rescued us. Good, you saw that it is B2.
मॉल तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है, लेकिन कोविड की वजह से बहुत सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पर नहीं ओपन हुई है, लेकिन है ना enjoy.
It is good if you want, instead of going in the heat, you know,
Better to come and
to come and roam and sit somewhere, eat something and go.
enjoy yourself like
But
that.
to play also there is nothing much for the kids, except
Yeah.
that is the interesting part.
जा रहे हैं घर, और घर जाने से पहले कुछ खाएंगे और उसके बाद निकलेंगे. ऐश को है ना?
Yeah.
ऐश को है ना? must be tired. So we are come to a football ground to see my brother playing over here. He's playing inside, so they both are gone over there. There they are. Hello, the Mamu. Hello. Hello, Mamu. Hi. Hi, hello. What you doing? Okay, once Mamu. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Guys, it was a beautiful day, fabulous day.
Not beautiful or fabulous. Extreme fabulously.
Believe me.
Extreme fabulously
Everybody enjoyed. Everybody ate.
Shoes. Everybody enjoyed the food. Everybody enjoyed everything. और बहुत सालों के बाद
Somebody was full with the chips, but he ate burger chips and Hannah chips also. Bring us food today.
What did you say? Driving what?
I feel like our driving truck I'm seeing. Talk whatever you want.
So anyways guys, हम लोगों ने everybody
My mama is laughing.
we have been physically met.
My mama is laughing.
Right now those 20 people who are watching us, this vlog is only dedicated to those people.